Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something we rarely celebrate, the shadows we carry. When people look at someone's life, they usually notice the visible parts. They see the published book, the interview, the article with the byline, the award, the photograph, or the applause, and they call that success. But I have learned that success is never just what people see. Behind every achievement is a collection of invisible moments. Moments of self-doubt, quiet perseverance, failed attempts, unanswered emails, rewritten pages, and days when giving up feels much easier than conquering. As a writer and journalist, I have often realized that my work is shaped not only by the stories I publish, but also by the stories they never get published. Some articles remain unfinished, some ideas never become books, and some interviews never happen. Yet those unseen efforts still shape who I become. The shadows we carry are not signs of weaknesses. They are evidence that we have lived, learned, questioned, and grown. Do you know what? There is a quote I often return to in my mind. A tree's deepest roots grow in darkness. And I think people are very similar. The strongest parts of our character often develop in places where nobody is watching. We live in a world that celebrates invisibility. Because social media also encourages us to share highlights. Professional success is often measured by titles and achievements, but very few people ask about the invisible journey. They don't ask how many times you questioned yourself, how many drafts you deleted, how many opportunities slipped away, how many mornings you chose discipline over comfort. Those are the shadows. Agree or not? If you agree, then please let me know in the comment section. If you have any other story, then also you can share your story. And you know what? That they matter, because writing has taught me something beautiful. Every story has both light and shadow. Without conflict, there is no transformation. Without uncertainty, there is no discovery. And the same is true for our own lives. Some of my greatest lessons haven't come from success. They have come from waiting. You know why? Because it includes observation. So from observing, from accepting that growth isn't always immediate, nature reminds me of this constantly. So the inspiration is nature. So when I visited Gir Forest in Gujarat, I expected to remember the lines. Instead, I remember the silence. Standing there, I realized that forests don't rush. Trees don't compare themselves with another. No tree is trying to become another tree. Each one grows according to its own season. And you know why? Because that experience changed something in me. It reminded me that success isn't a race, it is a relationship with time. As someone who loves stories, I have also realized that every person carries invisible chapters. We meet people in chapter 10 while judging them without knowing chapters 1 through 9. Someone may look confident today but may have spent years overcoming fear. Someone may appear successful but may have faced repeated rejection. Someone may smile every day while carrying grief no one knows about. And you know why? Because the shadows we carry deserve compassion, not shame. Work in the shadows has another meaning too. Because much of the most meaningful work happens quietly. A researcher spends years collecting information before publishing a single paper. An artist creates dozens of sketches before the final painting. A writer fills notebooks with imperfect ideas without discovering the right words. None of that invisible work is wasted, because it becomes the foundation of excellence. You know why? Because sometimes I think we underestimate quiet consistency because it doesn't attract applause. And yet quiet consistency changes lives. Because one page every day becomes a book. One thoughtful conversation becomes a lasting friendship. One small act of kindness becomes someone's reason to keep going. And you know what? The world often rewards outcomes. Life rewards effort. And as journalists and storytellers, we are taught to observe. But observation isn't only about the world outside, it is also about looking inward. The more honestly we understand ourselves, the more honestly we can understand others. That is why reflection matters. Reflection turns experience into wisdom. Without reflection, experiences simply pass through us. With reflection, they become lessons. So today, I invite you to think about your own shadows. What experiences shaped you when nobody was watching? What challenges quietly strengthened your character? What dream are you still nurturing even if no one else knows about it? Perhaps your greatest achievement hasn't happened yet. Perhaps it is growing quietly beneath the surface, just like roots beneath the soil, just like seeds waiting for the right reason, just like forests that continue growing long before anyone notices their beauty. Therefore, success is not only the applause after reaching the summit, it is every step taken while climbing. It is choosing integrity when shortcuts are available. It is continuing to learn when recognition is absent. It is remaining curious in a world that often prefers certainty. As an author, I have learned that every meaningful story begins long before the first sentence is written. As a journalist, I have learned that every headline has an untold backstory. And as a human being, I continue learning that every person carries unseen battles and unseen victories. So let us become kinder to ourselves and to others. Let us celebrate not only visible success but invisible courage. Let us respect the work done in silence, because the shadows we carry are not burdens alone. They are proof that we have survived. They are proof that we have continued. And sometimes they become the very place where our light begins. So if this message has resonated with you, do like, share and subscribe this channel, and keep liking and keep sharing your comments. Thank you.